About reading comprehension about listeners and reading skill. Let me introduce our member. My name is Fakih Mumtaz. I am the moderator.
My name is Muhammad Farizal Madanu.
My name is Sigral Bikwari.
My name is Gawari Mahendra.
My name is Muhammad Noval.
My name is Devian Manaraswati.
Reading comprehension. Comprehension means isinya ada reading comprehension. Satu ada comprehension means. Yang kedua ada reading comprehension is making sense of what you read and connection the this in the text to what you already know.
Di sana
Yang
apa gue
ketiga
ya?
ada comprehension means
Sini aja.
thinking will you read.
Next ada skill of reading comprehension. Yang first topic of paragraph. Sebelumnya pahami dulu apa itu topik. What is topic? Topic is the general term or subject of a passage. Artinya topik adalah tema umum atau pokok bahasan dari suatu bacaan. When you read, you should begin by looking for the topic. Ketika membaca harus memulai untuk mencari topiknya terlebih dahulu. Lalu it will help you connect the text to what you already know. Ini akan membantu menghubungkan teks dengan apa yang sudah diketahui. Lalu next ada what is paragraph? A paragraph is a group of sentences that are all about the same thing. That is, they all have the same topic. Paragraf itu adalah sekelompok kalimat yang berisi tentang hal yang sama. Artinya semua memiliki topik yang sama. Next, how to recognize the topic of paragraph. Bagaimana cara mencari topik dari paragraf? Yang pertama, ask yourself, what is this about? Lalu yang kedua, read the first two sentences. Baca dan pahami dua kalimat pertama. Lalu yang ketiga ada skim over the rest of sentence. Skim atau baca cepat sisa kalimat dari paragraf. Lalu yang keempat ada find the general term. Cari tema umumnya. Lalu yang terakhir make a check. Write to specific to general or topic on answer choice. Jadi cek kembali jawabannya apakah terlalu spesifik, terlalu umum, atau itu topiknya.
Next, main idea of paragraph. Main idea is the author ideas about the topic. Main idea adalah kalimat yang berisi gagasan penulis tentang topik yang diutarakan. Second, it is always a complete sentence that includes both topic and the idea that the writer wishes to express. Atau main idea, ide pokok selalu membentuk kalimat yang di dalamnya terdapat topik dan gagasan penulis tentang topik tersebut. Next, the main idea of paragraph is usually stated by the writer in one or more sentence. Di dalam sebuah paragraf, penulis biasanya menyebutkan main idea dalam satu atau dua kalimat. Second, the sentence that states this main idea is called the topic sentence, atau kalimat yang berisi main idea disebut sebagai topic sentence. The topic sentence tells what the rest of the paragraph is about, atau topic sentence membahas keseluruhan isi paragraph. Number 4, if you get the main idea, you will get the rest of sentence in paragraph. Jika bisa menemukan ide pokoknya, maka bisa memperkirakan seluruh isi paragrafnya. Saya ada to find main idea. First, decide what is the topic is. Then ask yourself what is the author trying to say about the topic.
Next, reading comprehension about business. Reading comprehension about business relates to reading comprehension about business, usually involves understanding their various aspects such as financial statement, market trends, business strategies, and management principles. Good comprehension can help entrepreneurs make more informed decisions in managing their business. Second, industry understanding. Reading helps to understand industry dynamics, trends, and factors that affect the business. Skill improvement. Reading helps improve management skills, including leadership, planning, and decision making. Market understanding. Knowing market trends, consumer behavior, and competition helps companies to stay relevant and adapt.
The next, we have our skills.
Skills is understanding, interpreting, and evaluating text. Reading skills are very important to learn because they can help in various situations such as studying, working, or having fun. There also skipping, scanning, and interacting. First is scanning. It's a reading technique which is done by looking at the most important details of a text in a quick manner. Teknik membaca yang dilakukan dengan melihat detail terpenting dari sebuah teks secara cepat. Second, allows reader to locate specific information like name, date, place, statistics, or facts which are usually not available in a text. Memungkinkan pembaca menemukan informasi spesifik seperti nama, tanggal, tempat, statistik, atau fakta yang biasanya terlihat dalam teks. Third, skips or a large section or part of a text, melewati sebagian besar atau sebagian dari sebuah teks. For example, ticket, wedding, invitation, and flight text. Is also a step type of reading, merupakan jenis pembaca cepat. Kedua, fokus on the main idea or the of the text, berfokus pada ide utama atau gambaran umum dari sebuah teks. Tiga, focus reader to find the topic series which summarizes the whole text explained, mendorong pembaca untuk menemukan kalimat topik yang merangkum keseluruhan teks itu sendiri. Keempat, does not give much attention to small details present in text. Tidak terlalu perhatikan detail kecil yang ada dalam teks. 5. Example, newspaper, radio, paper, website. 3. Inferencing. Inferencing is the ability to infer the meaning of a text using on context and create knowledge. Inferencing adalah kemampuan menunjukkan makna implisit dari teks berdasarkan konteks dan pengetahuan sebelumnya. Kedua, inferencing is useful for understanding the meaning behind word or expression that are not explained in text. Inferencing berguna untuk memahami makna di balik kata-kata atau ungkapan yang tidak secara langsung dijelaskan dalam teks. Ketiga, inferencing can deliver on the text of one. Inferencing dapat dilakukan pada teks berisi cerita atau bukan.
My name is Fitri Daya Ramadhani Lubis. I would like to ask how to improve reading comprehension skill. My name is Ayurveda from Group 6. The question is, what is the difference between skimming and scanning technique?
Okay.
Fitri, question. Answer. How to improve reading comprehension skills? The first way to improve reading comprehension skills is to increase vocabulary. Vocabulary is one of the keys for someone to understand the content of the text being read. Every day, try to add vocabulary that you don't understand, whether it's Indonesian or English. Enough?
I want to answer a question from Rayu. What is the difference between skimming and scanning technique? Skimming and scanning are two different reading techniques, but what I'm to read quickly and efficiently, the main difference between skimming and scanning. Jadi di antara dua teknik skimming dan scanning itu merupakan dua teknik yang berbeda, tapi keduanya sama-sama bertujuan untuk membaca dengan cepat dan efisien. Nah, yang membedainnya itu di aktivitasnya. Kalau skimming itu proses membaca cepat secara tidak detail, sedangkan scanning itu proses membaca cepat atas suatu tulisan yang pernah dikenali dan dibaca. Thank you.
Jadi, reading comprehension about business will either involve understanding key concepts, interpreting main index, or using implication for business strategy. If you profit more detail about the concept, also reading skill are the ability to comprehend and interpret text effectively. This involves being able to understand the meaning of word, sentence, and paragraph as a whole, as well as being able to organize information logically. Thank you to Mr. Erlo and Frank for coming to this presentation. It's honor to meet you guys. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.